Hi everybody, it's me, Lasheen, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the teeth whitening. I use this light, the 3D light by Crest, after I had the strips on for 30 minutes. Okay, and then I would put this on for the time it's about 5 minutes. I did it twice. The light. So here I am removing the last strips. I don't know if this lighting up. As you can see, I think that they did a wonderful job. I do think they are wider. The instructions on the labels is not the easiest, so I would say put your strips on and pull them tight. I found that my bottoms, I had a lot of saliva, so sometimes it'd be difficult to put it on. So a little piece of tissue and light press against there is fine. That helps, and it'll dry it up, and you can continue to wear them, or you can wear them separately. That's all I can really say. See if that's like helps. I definitely see a difference. Dose sensitivity. So that's another question that people have. I do not brush after doing this at all or before, okay, until the AM, and then I brush, floss. And I am starting to use this new Listerine that's healthy white, and it's supposed to whiten as well. So I'm going to do that as well to keep it up. But I do think the strips worked with the light. You gotta get the kits with the light, because I think it's the light that really does it. So, enjoyed. I did it for 10 days, and I'm happy. And please comment, let me know if you see a difference. I will have the pictures of every day posted as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.